Let's talk about understanding Newton's third law. Have you ever jumped off a skateboard and noticed the skateboard zooms the other way? That's Newton's third law in action, and today we're going to break it down. Let's start with the basics. Newton's third law says for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Sounds simple, but it explains so many things around us. If one object applies a force on another, the second object pushes back with the exact same amount of force, just in the opposite direction. Kick a soccer ball, your foot pushes on the ball, and the ball pushes back on your foot. These are called action-reaction pairs, which are the forces that two objects apply to each other. Let's say a car crashes into a wall. The action, the car pushes on the wall. The reaction, the wall pushes back on the car with equal force, but in the opposite direction. Even though the wall doesn't move much, the force is still there. The force on each object is equal in size, but in opposite directions. Now here's something important right here. These forces don't cancel out because they're acting on different objects. One force acts on the car, the other acts on the wall. This law is often used to solve real-world problems. Think like an engineer. If your goal is to design something safer, like a car that protects passengers during a crash, you have to consider criteria and constraints. Criteria are what the design must do, like protect some people. Constraints are the limits you have to work with, that you have to consider, like cost, available materials, time, and the mass and speed of objects. Let's say we are trying to solve this problem, reducing damages in car crashes. Airbags are the perfect example of a solution that solves the problem while meeting the criteria and constraints. They're designed to create an equal and opposite force that gently slows down your body during a crash. Instead of your body smashing into the dashboard, the airbag pushes back to protect you. You could apply the idea of action-reaction forces to reduce impacts and improve safety. That's Newton's third law, saving lives. Here's your quick recap. Forces come in pairs, equal and opposite. They don't cancel out because they act on different objects. Designers and engineers use this law to make everything from airbags to rockets safer and more efficient. So next time you throw a ball, hop off a swing, or ride in a car, remember every action has an equal and opposite reaction. And understanding those reactions, that's what's helping us design a safer, smarter world. Thanks so much for watching this video.